I bet this situation sounds familiar to you. You are doing keyword research for a new video, and that video covers a topic for which you already did videos in the past. So here I have a tip for you how you can jumpstart your keyword research. Hey YouTubers, Nico here. I think it sounds a little bit specific, this situation, that you are doing a video about a topic for which you did videos in the past already. But let me tell you, that shouldn't be a very specific situation, because it's a very good idea to cover videos that of the same topic multiple times in a row. Because you know, if you made a video in the past that worked really well with your audience, it's a good idea to do a video similar to this one again. And in my case, it is about tags. Actually, I did 3 videos about tags already, and every time they were really great. In particular, last week I did one video again about tags, and this one was the best one video ever until now for all videos on my channel. Because it was first a topic where I already knew that my audience really enjoys it. You guys really enjoy me talking about tags, I knew that. And on top of that, here is my trick how I jump-started my keyword research. Alright, let's have a look. The video I was talking about from last week is this one, how tags work. With the target keyword, how tags work. And by the way, what I meant by the best video ever on my channel, I was talking about the view velocity, which you can see here is the first place from all my videos on the channel. So it really took off well. I actually got the inspiration for the target keyword, how tags work, from my previous video that was already talking about the same topic. So I realized what we do with keyword research is in the end wanting to get search traffic to our video. And well, the old video already got that same search traffic I want to have for my new video. So what I can do is look up the search traffic it got and the search terms people were using when they found this old video. So I can pick them and use them for my new video, because I know my channel has the authority for those search terms to get search traffic again. So let's have a look at the Creator Studio to see how we can get those search terms from the previous video. We can of course look it up in the old Creator Studio, but let's switch to the Studio Beta, because that's much easier to see. Alright, the old video that was already talking about tags is... Okay, here it is, truth about tags. When we click here, we can look into the analytics of this particular video by clicking on the left analytics. Now we can see the analytics for this particular video, and when we click on discovery, we can see how people discovered it. And search is of course one part. And here we go. Here are those search terms that people used when they found this video. And that is where I got my inspiration from. The most common search term was how tags work. And that I decided to use in my latest video as a target keyword. And of course, here we have many more search terms, and those I used as tags because it makes sense. People were finding my videos through these search terms, so it's a good idea to have them in the tags and signal YouTube, here you go, here's another video about tags that my audience is likely to enjoy again. Alright, how cool is that? We can see all the search terms people were using when they found our videos. So this is a really great source for inspiration for our target keywords, and if it's not a target keyword, then we can also put them into the tags, of course, right? So use this to your advantage. I mean, it's not only about doing a video that you did in the past again in a similar way and copying what the old video got as search traffic for the new one. It's also in general for video ideas that you might come up with. I mean, you can look at your whole channel, all the videos, which search terms people were using in order to find your video. That can be really invaluable. So take a deep look. This is good information that will jumpstart your keyword research. Alright, cheers my friends!